Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. Today I want to show you how to create a nice ribbed effect. It's a very easy stitch. So I want to show you two of the most famous stitches, to make ribs. So the one on the left is made with single crochet and the one on the right is made with half double crochet. If you don't know how to make the half double crochet, there is a tutorial right here you can watch before starting. And so you can see the one made with single crochet on the left. The ribs are very thin and very close from one another, and the one with half double crochet, the one on the right, the ribs are thicker, but they are also more spaced. So yes, that's pretty it. It's a very good stitch for accessories because it's very stretchable. So if you want to make scarf, like beanies and stuff like that, it's a very good stitch. And now let's get started with a single crochet ribbing stitch. So you start with a chain, and the length of the chain you can choose. It depends of the creation you want to make. So I will make it pretty small, but just so you know, you can add chain stitches to make it longer right here. So here is your chain. Then you skip the last chain stitch that you made and you start making single crochet in the second one from the hook. So I put a stitch marker like that, you can see where is the first single crochet, and you make single crochet all along the chain. That we learn how to make the ribbing stitch with a single crochet, we are about to learn the one with half double crochet. So you will see the principle is actually the same, but it's made with a half double crochet instead of single crochet. So same thing, you start with a chain, but the difference is that you will start crocheting in the third chain stitch from the hook. So you skip the two last one and you start right here, you start in the third one and you make a half double crochet. So there is the tutorial at the beginning of the video. I put you the link for the half double crochet stitch if you have to learn it. So you make half double crochet all along the chain. I love half double crochet stitch. I think it's such a pretty stitch, and yeah, it's a very convenient one because it's pretty fast. And once you are done with this row, you will make two chain stitch to turn, because two chain stitches are the height of 1/2 double crochet, and see these back loops, you will start crocheting in them. So you will make 1/2 double crochet in each of these back loops. Once you are done with this row of 1/2 double crochet, you do the same thing all over again, and you do that as many rows as you want and need for your creation. So you always start by 2 chain stitch to turn, and then a row of 1/2 double crochet in the back loops. That's it. That's the key to the ribbing effect. It's to crochet in the back loop, so it's actually very, very easy. I hope that you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy tutorials like that, and I see you very, very soon.